If you feel stressed, body tensions, and you need to relieve this negative sensation, watch this. Health, movements, mind, body, emotions. This method are simple movements dedicated to who wants to be healthy and feel good every day. An easy to learn program that decrease stress and anxiety, strengthen health, reduce physical pain, and boost our immune system. Learn powerful Qigong moving, relaxation techniques, and breathing practices, self-massage, and secret points to stimulate your vital energy, your blood circulation, and your health organ. This program will help you to release work worries, to gain harmony, achieve physical and mental relaxation, bring focus, clarity, and strength, and health into your life. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below and see you there. Ciao!